Is your Aisensy contact list overflowing with outdated or irrelevant information? Let's get started. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Contacts section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where all your contact information is stored. To delete a single contact, locate the contact you want to remove from the list. Click on the contact's name to select it, then look for the delete option, usually represented by a trash can icon, and click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the contact. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental deletions. Review the contact's information, and if you're certain, click confirm or yes to proceed. Now, let's delete multiple contacts at once. This is a huge time saver. Check the box next to each contact you want to remove. After selecting all the contacts, find the delete selected option, often located at the top or bottom of the contact list, and click it. Just like with single deletions, a confirmation pop-up will appear, displaying the number of contacts you're about to delete. Double-check the number to ensure you haven't selected any contacts by mistake, and then click confirm to finalize the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted contacts from your Aisensy account, cleaning up your list for more effective WhatsApp marketing. Remember to regularly update your contact list for optimal campaign performance.